In this video, I will be showing you how to design a graduation program in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the search bar on the Canva home screen and type in graduation program to see what templates are available. I'll scroll through the results until I find a style that works for my project. This gold and green formal template looks great, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open the editor. Now that the template is loaded, I want to add some of my own design elements. I'll go to the Elements tab on the left and search for an abstract border. I'll browse through the graphics until I find a wavy design that fits the elegant theme. Once I find one I like, I'll click it to add it to the page and then drag it down to the bottom, stretching it to fit the full width. I'll use that same element for the top of the program as well. After adding it again, I'll flip it vertically and move it into position at the very top. To make sure it doesn't cover up my text, I'll open the position panel and move the element to the back layer. Next, I want to change the overall feel of the design by updating the background color. I'll select the background and choose a deep navy blue from the color palette. This helps the gold text and borders really stand out. Because I added the new borders, I need to adjust the layout of the text. I'll select the school name, logo, and title at the top, group them together, and then move the entire block down so it sits perfectly within the frame. I'll also need to tweak the main program details. I'll select the list of events and times, then resize and move the text box so it's centered and clear. I'll make sure the closing program information at the bottom is also adjusted to fit above the new border. To add a bit more texture, I'll go back to the Elements tab and search for gold dust. I'll choose a decorative touch gold wave, and I'll place this on the side, rotate it to match the flow of the design, and lower the transparency. After one last check of the alignment and layers, the design is complete. And that's it. My custom graduation program is polished and ready to go. Thanks for watching.